Hey folks, welcome to Lehomemade. We know that the summer season is going on, and during this season, the king of all fruits, the mango, has a great demand. Mango and various mango products are liked by everyone, but mangoes are available only during the summer season. So let's see how to store these mangoes for a longer period of time without using any chemicals and without changing their taste or color. Here, I'll be showing you two ways in which you can store the mangoes. One method will be to store it in the pulp form and the other to store it in the pieces or chunks form. Now here I have got some Alfonso mangoes. I have washed them and dried it with the help of a kitchen towel. Make sure that there is no water on the mangoes or on your hands while doing this entire process to avoid the mangoes from spoiling. At first, we'll take the ripe but firm mangoes to make the pieces or chunks, and we'll keep the softer ones aside to make the pulp. Preferably, the Alfonso mangoes give a better result as far as taste is concerned. You could use any other mangoes which are available at your end. Basically, we need to chop the mangoes. Here, I'm just trying to demonstrate how I like to do it. Sometimes, when we have a lot of ripe mangoes at home, there are chances that they may spoil if we do not finish them in a day or two. So at this point of time, we can use this simple and easy method to preserve them so that we can use them later. Here, I have almost finished chopping one mango. Now for the seed part, it's up to you. You can cut the seed part in this manner or store it as a pulp by squeezing it. Once we are done with the chopping of the mangoes, we will add 2 tablespoons of sugar. These are the chopped pieces of 4 to 5 mangoes. The sugar will act as a preservative and helps to preserve the taste and color of the mangoes. We'll see to it that all the pieces are coated well with sugar. You could also use powdered sugar at this point. For the next step, to store the mangoes, we'll need Ziploc bags of this kind. And now we'll simply add all the chopped mango pieces into this Ziploc bag. We'll not be filling these bags completely. We'll be leaving some space on the top. Once we have finished filling them, we'll seal them in this manner by inserting a straw on the other end. And after doing this, a very important step is to suck out all the excess air from the bag with the help of this straw. And then we'll also seal the remaining end where the straw was placed. As you can see here, we have finished doing the vacuum packing. This will help to increase the shelf life of the mangoes. And now we'll gently spread the pieces and flatten the bag so that it is easy for us to store this into the freezer. Here I am demonstrating one more time how to suck the air from the bag with the help of a straw when there is lesser quantity of mangoes. After packing these, we'll be immediately storing them in the deep freezer section. Make sure to store the mangoes and the mango pulp into smaller portions so that it is easier to defrost as well as to consume at the same time. Please ensure that you have sealed the bags properly. So this was how I stored the mango chunks. Now we'll move on to see how to store the amras or the mango pulp. Here I have used slightly overripe mangoes to make the pulp. Now this is a very simple and easy method to store the mangoes for almost a year. You can later use these preserved mango pieces or mango pulp to make various mango products like mango pudding, ice cream, milkshake, or even amras. And that too even when the mangoes are not in season. And here, as you can see, I am doing the vacuum packing of the mango pulp in the similar manner as I had shown earlier. And we'll now seal this bag also in the same way. For this too, make sure to press the ziplock end properly so that it does not leak into the deep freezer. If you're gonna use this mango pulp within 1 month, then there is no need to add powdered sugar to this. But if you're gonna consume this mango pulp like after 3 to 4 months or more than that, then I would suggest you should add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to this pulp. You could also store the mango pulp into such kind of airtight boxes. I have frozen these mangoes for 4 to 5 hours and this is how it looks. You can see that they are as they were before and not changed their color. For the remaining pulp in the mixie jar, we are gonna add a little bit of milk and sugar and turn it into a yummy mango milkshake. So friends, I hope you liked this tutorial on how to preserve mangoes for a longer period of time. Let me know in the comment section whether this was helpful to you, and I would also like to know if you follow any other preservation methods. Let's meet again with yet another interesting video. Until then, stay safe and have a great day ahead. Friends, if you're still watching and yet not subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to Le Homemade for more such interesting videos.